My friend is 64 and she is the envy of all. She has no wrinkles and has a beautiful skin. She reveals her secret and says she's just getting this once a week. In our homes, probably in our first aid kit, or on the medicine rack, we have a bottle of aspirin. It is always good to have a couple of these pills on hand in an emergency. We should not use it constantly, but in necessary situations we must do it. Aspirins are very popular and known due to their anti-inflammatory effect, because it prevents heart disease and also has neuroprotective effect. But did you know that apart from these incredible medicinal uses, also aspirin can be used aesthetically? Aspirin is an invincible ally and very powerful to treat aesthetic aspects, especially to provide a perfect and beautiful skin. All this time we have had in our houses the ideal ingredient to obtain the most beautiful skin free of imperfections. Find out here then how to make 3 aspirin-based masks and how to apply them. 1. Aspirin mask with lemon. Ingredients: 1. 3 aspirins. 2. 3 tablespoons of lemon. How are we going to prepare it? 1. Dilute the aspirin in the lemon juice, then blend until a paste is created. 2. Wash the face and then apply this mixture leaving on the face for 10 minutes, then remove with fresh water. 2. Yogurt, honey and aspirin mask. Ingredients: 1. 5 aspirins. 2. A spoonful of yogurt. 3. Half a tablespoon of honey. How will we elaborate? 1. Turn the aspirin into powder, then mix with the other ingredients. 2. To apply this mask first we must put on the face a cloth with hot water, in order to open the pores. After drying the face we will apply this mixture leaving it to act for 30 minutes. 3. At the end remove with warm water. 3. Exfoliating mask. Ingredients: 1. 3 aspirins. 2. 3 tablespoons of warm water. How are we going to prepare it? We will dilute the aspirin in the water and form a paste. With our clean face we will apply this mask and let it act for 10 minutes, then we must rinse with fresh water.